What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Just please bear with my voice right now because I'm feeling sick today. That's why I didn't put on a full face of makeup today, because there's no point when I'm just gonna blow my snot out and like keep rubbing my eyes. If you guys haven't already yet, go ahead and press that red button down below that says subscribe, because it's literally right there, so it only takes like a few seconds to press it. But for today's video, we are doing an Ulta haul. I actually have a lot of stuff, but the lady only had a small bag, so all my goodies are in this tiny bag. Hawaii just recently opened up its first Ulta beauty store here on Oahu, and I'm super excited for it because I love Ulta maybe more than Sephora. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you all the stuff that I'm just gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got from Ulta, and I really wanted to shoot this video because I want to use all the products already, but I had to wait till I shot this video, so that's why I'm doing it. And besides that, let's just get on with the video. Let's get started. I don't know how I got sick, honestly. Like, it just came out of nowhere. I was sick the other time, but then I got better, and then now I just got even worse, so I sound horrible. Alright, let's just start off with like skincare. So the first thing that I got is the Soap and Glory. This is so hard to talk when I'm sick, but I'm gonna try my best. So I got, oh my god. So I got the Soap and Glory's Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox. If you guys watched my skincare routine, I used this, but I was running out. It was literally to like the bottom. So I had to buy a new one, and I think this was on sale. I'm not sure. I don't have my receipts. So actually I do. So that one was $12, but it's actually, for the price, it's not that bad for what you're given. So yeah, I got Soap and Glory. And then, moving on to the next facial product, I got two of the Mini Mario Badescu skincare sprays. So the first one is the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. And then this one is the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. So this one, its purpose is it replenishes skin with an infusion of calming botanicals and lavender essential water. This facial mist delivers a soothing boost of hydration and vitamin C, leaving the skin balanced and bright. So I can't wait to use this one. I think I have the large bottle of this, but I really need a small one, especially because I like go a lot of places, and I just want to just carry it in like my purse or something. And then this one I'm going to be trying out for the first time because I've never used this one yet, but I heard good things about this one. So this one is for use it as use it to set makeup, soothe your skin in dehydrating conditions, or to give your skin a quick boost anytime, anywhere. So I can't wait to try these two out. And then these two were both $5 each, so this is really affordable, well, for me. Okay, moving on to like makeup stuff. So I had to get myself another Morphe sponge. If you guys haven't used the Morphe sponges yet, they're really beneficial, especially if you want to save money and you don't want to buy a beauty blender. This is a good alternative, or the Real Techniques one. This one was, let me see. I don't know, I can't find it on here, but I don't remember how much this one. I think it was like $6. It's really affordable, and the good thing about it is that, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has this, it's like this little flat edge, so you can put it under your eye when you're doing concealer, and then you also have the tip, and which is for like blending your foundation. So that one's really good, and it blends your foundation out really nicely. Moving on, I got this Revolution Conceal and Define. I've never used Revolution products, and I kind of bought a bunch of those just because I wanted to test it out. I heard good reviews about it, so I got this concealer, and then this one was Oh, the contour sponge was $7, sorry. This one. And then the concealer is also $7 as well. And then this is in the color, if I can find it, C12. Hopefully this is my color. The thing that I got from Revolution was this brow pomade. I've never used pomade in a really long time. I usually normally stick to like the brow pencil, but I really wanted to try this out because on the tester it looked very pigmented. And then this one was $3.99. Oh, this is pretty cheap actually for pomade. I can't wait to try this one out. And then another thing that I got from Revolution is this Makeup Revolution London. That's a lot of stuff. Pierce S Fire eyeshadow palette. I think this was a free gift from Ulta because I spent a certain amount of money on Revolution products, so I can't wait to try this one out. It has like a couple of highlighters, and then you have some eyeshadows, some matte eyeshadows, and then some shimmer shadows. So I can't wait to try that. And then the last thing that I got from Revolution was the Luxury Baking Powder in the color Banana. I heard a lot of good things about this one, so I'm excited to try this out. And then this one right here was $8, and it actually gives you quite a lot, and you can use this for like baking or setting your face. And I can't wait to try this one out because I heard good reviews about it. And then the last thing that I got, it's also from Morphe, is their setting mist. I've always, like, every time I used to go to like Morphe in the mainland, I ended up not getting this for some reason. I have no idea why. But when I saw it at Ulta, I was like, might as well just get it. And then this one was $15. Jaclyn Hill or all these other beauty gurus use this setting spray. So I was like, why not? Yeah. Oh my god, the lighting got really bad just now. But yeah. So those are pretty much all the stuff that I got from Ulta. If you guys like these Ulta hauls, let me know in the comments if you want me to do another one. Or if you guys want me to make a video using all the products that I got from Ulta, because I would like to do that too. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys all in my next one. Mwah. I've been working on it, putting in overtime, putting in